Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today we are going to solve probability problem, and we are going to use some techniques we have learned in genetics. So here's a problem. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. What is the probability of getting two numbers whose product is even? So how we are going to solve this problem? Looking at these two dice, it is obvious that they have 6 surfaces, and each surface has unique number starting from 1 and ending with 6. So 6 numbers each die has. Let's list. For example, die number 1 has on the surface 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And die number 2 also has the same numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now let's just build simple Punnett square, and we can easily solve this problem. Take a look. We just would have 6 rows and 6 columns. So total number of cells is going to be 36. So 36 is going to be our sample space. Now let's find in each cell what product we are going to have. For example, 1 times 1 is going to be 1. 1 times 2 is going to be 2. So 3 here, 4, 5, and 6. And the same numbers we are going to get in these cells. 2. Now 2 times 2 is going to be 4. 3 times 2, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 3 is 12. And 5 times 3 is 15. And 6 times 3 is 18. And 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 5 times 4, 20. And 6 times 4, 24. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 5 is 30. We're almost done. 2 times 6 is going to be 12. 3 times 6 is going to be 18. 4 times 6 is going to be 24. 5 times 6 is going to be 30. And 6 times 6 is going to be 36. Now let's choose all even numbers, so numbers which we can divide by 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So probability of the event that we will throw 2 dice and going to get a number which is going to be a product of 2 numbers, and it's going to be even, would equal to number of evens. So number of evens that meet requirements of our problem divided by number of sample space. So P of E in our case would equal to 27 over 36. And we can divide both numerator and denominator by 9. So we can simplify this fraction, and we are going to get 3 over 4. And this is going to be our answer. Take a look. This is answer B. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.